Give space. Give space. Give space.
Introducing his opponent out of the red corner.
Amazing, really interesting, and we have in the cage the star referee Ranjit Kunamal.
क्या लगता है श्याम आपको इस फाइट के बारे में?
कुछ भी प्रिडिक्ट करना हार्ड है प्रशांत, क्योंकि दोनों फाइट काफी साइट लग रहे हैं, शार्प लग रहे हैं,
इनका फेस ऑफ भी बहुत कमाल का था।
बहुत ही कमाल का था, और दोनों फाइटर रेडी हैं, कंपोज्ड हैं, और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि दोनों फाइटर इतने खतरनाक हैं कि रंजीत सर
और काफी
थोड़े दूर से ही रेफरी कर रहे हैं कि कुछ भी घूम के लग सकता है।
We like this commentator with us. Between this fight is Kerala versus Karnataka.
रेंज
Again,
रेंज
Kerala versus Karnataka. Any Karnataka
और
fans?
क्या पंच की बारिश की सिल्वर स्टैलियन बिलेपार ने, और क्या टेक डाउन, क्या
केसवन ने क्या
स्लैम
टेक
मारा
डाउन दिया है?
केसवन
ने क्या
ने।
टेक डाउन दिया है?
मेरे को
बहुत
लगता
ही
है ये
अच्छा।
स्ट्राइकर वर्सेस ग्रैपलर फाइट है।
देखते
अब
हैं।
देखना यह होगा कि केसवन एम ग्राउंड पे कुछ कर पाते हैं या नहीं। एंड रंजीत सर इज वाचिंग द फाइट वेरी क्लोजली।
And Keswam has side control here.
भोजपुरी में कहा जाला कि उठा के पटक दिलन। बहुत ही अच्छा पटक ले रहन।
बहुत अच्छा एकदम। उनका
लेकिन-
लागल शायद हमरा लगा था कि उनका पंच लागल ऐसे वो सीधे ग्राउंड पे ले जाए कोशिश कैले हन, ताकि उनका
और
टाइम बहुत ही अच्छा रिवर्सल।
बहुत अच्छा रिवर्सल। केसवन एम ट्राइड टू गो फॉर माउंट, बट
अभी
Beliappa is now trying for guillotine. So few moments back when Keswan tried to go for mount, Beliappa bridged, tried to get up, and he has caught hold of the neck. Keswan looks very confident there, and his head might pop out, and he got mount.
and Keswam has
Keswan
the
got
here.
mount,
Oh,
and he's
he
trying.
started. I think he'll get. He is going for the back now.
He's trying for the arm triangle. He doesn't have the arm yet. And he's now trying for the ground and pound. Beliappa is just trying to get up. He's trying to hold him down. Keswan is now trying to do some ground and pound. He has full mount. And a hard punch. We can see here, Keswan really has some good
Beliappa-
ground game, and a reversal
Beliappa ने
happened.
रिवर्स कर दिया।
Beliappa used the cage,
Reverse
and with
now,
the help of the
Beliappa
cage,
is
he
on ground.
bridged and he reversed. Now he is in guard of
Close
Keswan.
guard. और बेलियप्पा अभी क्लोज गार्ड में है, और ये फाइट अभी काफी स्टॉलिंग पे चल रही है। और ये बेलियप्पा
बॉडी शॉट लगाया
body shot
बेलियप्पा ने,
लगाया।
और
बेलियप्पा वहाँ पे भी
पंचेज
पॉइंट्स
बॉडी में पंचेज मारे। बहुत हार्ड नहीं है, पर ये जो पंचेज हैं,
ये
दे
उन्हें
टेक द गैस आउट ऑफ द ओपोनेंट। मेरे को लगता है कि केसवन को रिवर्सल करना चाहिए, स्टॉल नहीं करना चाहिए। और बहुत ही हार्ड
और ये बहुत
पंचेज
hard punches।
बेलियप्पा के द्वारा,
और ये
और
fight फिर से
खड़े हो
start
गए
up हो
फिर से, और केसवन ट्राई कर रहे हैं टेक डाउन का। और both of the fighters have one underhook and one overhook. A nice shot knee by Beliappa. Keswan is putting him, pinning him against the cage. And there was a corner का shoulder, try of corner का shoulder.
Good presence of mind though by Beliappa.
Both of the fighters trying to hit a short knee from this close range. Both have one close underhook and overhook. We have to see now Case1. Case1 again took him down. Beliappa is trying to keep the fight standing. At the same time, Case1 is trying to keep on the ground.
The fight on the ground.
Again,
Beliappa
is
is standing
standing.
up.
He stood successfully. A short knee by Case1. Again, he's trying for the trip.
But
And
actually
reversal happened. Beliappa is on the top. Guys,
But it's a close guard.
we can see some really sneaky trip from
by
Case1.
Yeah.
But again, Beliappa is on
actually he's
top
taking out too
and
much
he's
damage.
punching. And he's
I think
punching. He's going for the kill. He's going for the kill. Hammer fist after hammer fist. And round saved Case1. See, as far as I can see, Case1 has some really good trips.
Yeah.
And our Silver Stallion
It's a very
is really
sneaky-
good in his
sneaky
striking.
Yeah, sneaky
He's
striking.
very sharp striking. And in both the rounds, he has landed some really good shots.
If Beliappa is able to keep him in
Case1
Yeah,
has
yeah.
scored takedowns, but he has not done any damage on the ground.
If Beliappa will be able to keep him in distance, I think this fight will go to Beliappa. What do you say? If he's
Beliappa is
yeah.
kind of leading the fight because he has landed some really good punches and he has done some good reversals. So second round. And guys,
और देख सकते हैं केसवम के कॉर्नर माउथ गार्ड देते हुए
it looks like Case1 is saying, "Come at me. Hit me with all the
guns you got."
goals you got." And Case side, we have both the founders and a spinning kick by Silver Stallion, which connected partially. And we have in the Case side, we have both the founders of Malyuddha, Gautam Kulal and Jitesh Banjan. And a good kick by Beliappa. And both the fighters are taking time. A left kick by Beliappa. Both the fighters are taking and a right kick by Beliappa. And Case1 is mocking by a scratching kick that is not hurting.
Yeah. Nice.
And a right kick and a left hand.
Oh, those hand has to be up. The Kesom has hands to be up because Beliappa is,
Case1 should
is
keep
not
the
just
hand
going for
up.
the kill.
Beliappa is hitting. Now it started hurting. Now it started hurting.
I think that mocking backfired him. What do you say, Shyam?
Not like he should counter the kicks, right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
nice.
and the right-
A nice Superman punch.
Right, Superman connected
by
for
Kesavam.
Case1. And he's trying to take them again. But Silver Stallion, Beliappa.
Nice. Oh, again the reversal happened. Again the reversal happened.
Reversal happened by Beliappa. He connected some really good, strong punches. And we can see Beliappa is leading the fight. He's in the game. He knows how to trash talk. He knows how to entertain people. So we can see again, Beliappa is on top of Case1. Case1 has a really good heart though, right?
Yeah.
He's not
Yeah,
backing
he took-
out.
Yeah.
He
took so many leg kicks and he's still.
इवेंट में लगा था कि सबके चिन्ह बा ना जो पत्थर के बनल बा, संगमरमर के पत्थर के। और फिर से और
बेलियाप्पा सही कंट्रोल लेते
बहुत
हुए
इजीली बेलियाप्पा ने गार्ड को पास किया। और एक हम लोग के ग्रैपलिंग में बहुत ही ऑकवर्ड पोजीशन जिसको बोलते हैं, वहां पे फंस गए हैं और फिर से निकल गए बेलियाप्पा और एक बहुत ही हार्ड हैमर फिस्ट। बेलियाप्पा is going for arm bar. He's going for the arm. We have to see. It's locked in tight. KS1 is not giving up. We'll have to see if he's able to finish. And KS1 stood up. He's able to kind of evade
stall the position.
So we can see KS1, Beliappa tried for the triangle, he missed it. KS1 is now on top. Again Beliappa is trying for reversal and he's saying he wanted to finish the triangle. He went for the takedown. Now he's in close guard.
Close guard.
Guys, we can say one thing. Beliappa, the Silver Stallion, is one hell of a entertaining fighter.
Yeah, he is an entertainer.
He is talking smack in and outside of cage. He is here to entertain people. He is here to show the charisma to the world, what kind of fighter he is and what kind of grappling we are seeing in and out, what kind of scrambling is happening. Both the fighters are just not giving up, in and out, and just KS1 pinned Beliappa towards the cage. And this is really an interesting fight.
Actually, Beliappa knows how to entertain people.
But one thing which is happening good is his striking. Grappling is happening in and out here and there.
Yeah.
But there is some really good striking by Beliappa.
Starting of the round, it was a very good striking. Nice exchanges by both of them.
और दर्शकों को बता दें कि ये 5 राउंड की बाउट हो रही है, 2 राउंड खत्म हो गए और ये फाइट तीसरे राउंड में जाएगी. And if we see at the face of Ranjit,
Check, ladies and gentlemen, one last round to decide who's going to be the winner. Let's make some noise for them. Come on.
प्रशांत ऐसा कहीं लगता है कि रंजीत से थोड़ा बोर दिखतलन, उनका कुछ खून चाहिए, खून मांगा तलन रंजीत से.
हमेशा खून चाहिए. रंजीत सर के हमेशा खून चाहिए.
रंजीत सर बहुत ज्यादा खुश नहीं, पोकर फेस के मेंटेन करे रखलन, चाहे नॉकआउट हो जाए चाहे कुछ हो जाए, पोकर फेस रहेला. Ranjit Kunumal is the best in the game. And let's see third round. We are starting. Both fighters fought their heart out. Their gas tank is empty. But they have all the courage which is needed.
This is the last round.
And a left kick by Beliappa. He is trying to mock. He is touching that leg again and again. एक राइट किक और फिर से KS1 पिन कर दिया है बेलियाप्पा को केज पे और
रिवर्सल की
टेक डाउन का ट्राई पर बहुत अच्छा डिफेंस
और बहुत अच्छा रिवर्सल
KS1 के द्वारा.
KS1 के पास है
साइड कंट्रोल में. बेलियाप्पा नीचे, दोनों फाइटर थके हुए हैं. We are not seeing any ground and pound from both the fighters.
Yeah, I think Ranjit sir will make them stand up. कोई एक्शन नहीं.
Ranjit sir is waiting.
Yeah. That's what I said.
He couldn't see them doing nothing.
Yeah.
Ranjit sir wants action.
Action and
He's
blood.
man of
and
action.
blood. Yeah, man of action.
Ranjit sir is man of action. So again, both the fighters
Stood
on
up.
their feet, and we
Actually,
have to
this
see
both- this
who wants it more,
Yeah.
who has more in them. Both are tired, and a left hook connected.
Oh, nice swing. Nice swing by both the fighters. Nice swing.
Both the fighters
Whoa.
are going for the kill, swinging. Both of them connected each
Nice
other,
swing by both of them. ऐसा लगा कि
and
it looked like just energy just came in both of them. Oh my God, what a nice head kick.
बहुत ही
लेकिन-
अच्छा left-
लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. कमाल की
left
chin
high
है.
kick बेलियाप्पा
Stone
के.
chin. Stone chin, I'll say iron chin.
केसवन
I'll say-
केसवन थोड़ा सा मतलब कि फ्लिंच भी ना कैलन. भैया हमरा का लगा था कि मलियुद्धा में सब कोई आयरन चिन कंडीशनिंग करके आइल बा का.
Actually, yeah, nice cross.
फिर से पंच के बाद
दोनों punches.
दोनों लेफ्ट
Whoa.
हुक, and
और
we can
actually
see some
बेलियाप्पा के-
blood in the fight, and K1 is
और-
back in the game. K1
Keswam is
is
round में-
pinning Beliappa against the cage.
Yeah,
Guys, this
round
is
was
some
very good for
interesting fight. Both of the fighter emptied their gas tank, and then again, from the sheer will and courage, they are back into the game. They are swinging for the fences,
And one
now
more
the
takedown by
fight went to the
Keswam.
ground.
Keswam is having a side control now. You know, Keswam
has
को यहाँ
side
ground and
control.
pound try करना चाहिए.
Beliappa is down. I feel they are not doing much, and Ranjit sir,
You know, he will do what he always does. Make them stand.
because they are not doing any action.
Yeah.
He's man
And
of
that's right,
action,
yeah.
right?
He's a man of action, right?
He's saying fighters engage.
And yeah,
And some and Beliappa
going for a takedown.
going for takedown and a slam
Takedown. Nice,
A slam.
nice slam. Nice slam by
in the side
Beliappa.
control.
And now he's having side control and ground and pound here, trying for ground and pound Sam.
देखा फाइट के बारे में कुछ कहल जाए, लेकिन फाइट न बहुत रोमांचक बा.
रोमांचक
ऐसा
बा,
लगते नहीं कि एगो फाइटर
हमेशा
ऐसे ही
नो.
जीत जाए.
हाँ,
तनी
हमेशा
बलियाप्पा
एकदम
कनेक्ट
अच्छा.
करतलन तले केसवन कम बैक कर देतलन.
हाँ, एकदम मने
कांटा के टक्कर होता.
एकदम लोग भक्चका जाता.
तो
ये क्या
बात
हुई?
कहे के बा.
के जीती? बेलियाप्पा
जीती?
जीती यानी कि केसवन जीती?
हमरा तो समझे में नहीं ख्यावत कि रेफरी लोग एकरा कैसे जज लोग कैसे स्कोर करिहन जा,
हाँ,
लेकिन
जज लोग के बारे में मैं
कहीं ना कहीं
घूमत
बलियाप्पा ज्यादा कनेक्ट कैले बालन.
कनेक्ट कैले बड़न. और यहाँ बेलियाप्पा का लगे हाफ गार्ड
बलियाप्पा
और
नीचे आके
ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड करत बड़ा.
शॉर्ट पंचेज केसवन लैंड करता और बहुत अच्छा रिवर्सल होइल.
और ये माउंट रहल
तीसरा राउंड के
समाप्ति.
समाप्ति हो गई. क्या फाइट रहे प्रशांत.
कमाल का
भयंकर फाइट रहे,
भयंकर
कमाल
फाइट.
के फाइट रहे, रोमांचक फाइट रहे.
हाँ.
दोनों फाइटर थक गईलन तब वो हार न मानलन. करेजा दोनों फाइटर के पास बहुत भयंकर बा. चाहे पंच लग जाए, चाहे किक लग जाए, चाहे स्लैम्प लग जाए. सिल्वर स्टैलियन भैया हीरो बालन हो.
हाँ.
हमारा लगा था कि भोजपुरी मूवी में उनका कराई जाए, एक्टिंग कराई जाए. भोजपुरी के जॉन विक बेलियाप्पा, our silver stallion. दोनों फाइटर एक दूसरा के गला लगलन. बहुत अच्छा स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप. Let's go. Beliappa, silver stallion. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Fight lived up to the hype.
Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner hails from the blue corner. Let's make some noise for Bellappa.
भैया ये तो सब कुछ कर सकेलन हो WWE भी कर सकेलन मूवी भी कर सकेलन MMA भी कर सकेलन
Thank you so much.
ठीक करनी है
Bellappa, you only have 30 seconds, but the crowd is waiting to hear from you.
I love my dad and mom and my girlfriend's there and my coaches are very beautiful. I train at Bold MMA and I am the Silver Stallion. I'll be here. Someone told me out there what I did was not sportsmanship, but yeah, fucking it's a showmanship.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you.